What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're at it again. Appreciate you guys tuning in again. Everybody that watches my videos, I appreciate it a lot. Can't thank you guys enough. But if you're new to my channel and you're watching this video, make sure you guys subscribe, tap that notification bell. You guys can stay updated on my build, and let's get this video started. Alright, so right now I'm just going to pick up where I left off at. I didn't have the right couplers. It didn't come with the kit, so now I got all the correct couplers I need. This is a 70mm throttle body, Skunk 2. So the diameter of that port right there is 3 inches, and then for the charge pipe is 2.5. So I got my coupler, as you can see, so 3 inch to 2.5. And that's gonna take care of that guy. And we go down here, the same thing. This is a 3 inch diameter, so I got another coupler for this guy. And then on this end, the charge pipe on this side is actually a 2 inch diameter, and got the coupler for that guy. So now we should all be all good and get the charge pipe fully put on, and then we'll work on getting this blowout valve put on as well. Alright, so the charge pipes are all completely tightened and secure now. Hopefully this is not an issue down the road. My fuel line is rubbing on there. Hopefully that's not a problem. And another thing is on this side, this charge pipe right here is actually laying on the turbo manifold. It's slightly touching it. I don't know if that's going to create a problem. And the clamp right there is real close to that runner, so hopefully that doesn't create any issues. If it does, we'll fix it as we go. But now we'll just get started on installing the blowout valve. Alright, so here's my blowout valve, and to put this guy on, just got to put this O-ring on that comes with the kit. You lay this guy in there, and then there's a C-clip right there that you can see. You got to put the C-clip in there and it will secure it in place, and that's pretty much it. And then I'm going to run my vacuum line from here, and I'm going to tee it off from my fuel pressure regulator. And I did forget to mention, make sure you put the C-clip on first and then you put it on before you try and do all this, because if you put the blowout valve first, C-clip, you ain't going to be able to get around it. So make sure you do that first. Alright, so the blowout valve is on. Here's the vacuum line that I'm going to be running. I'm going to cut right here. I'm going to split this in half. This is the supply tee that came with the kit, and that's going to go right in there. And that's how we're going to run the vacuum to the blowout valve. Alright, there we have it. That's teed off right there. Everything's all good to go. I did throw on my fan. I went with the OEM fan. I like how they cool off a lot better. But yeah, we get in there little by little. You know, it's a slow progress, but we're going to get there, guys. Just be patient with me, and I'll catch you on the next.